Project 12. We're going to do in Word mail merge, but first I'm going to put my data. You can do your data in Word, you can do it in Access, you can do it in Excel. I've set mine up in Excel. So I've got these different fields: title, first, last, company name. Let me put grid lines so you can see the difference here. In the fields: title, first, last, company name, address, city, state, zip, amount billed, date billed, amount paid, date paid, amount owed. And you can just subtract the amount billed from amount paid from amount billed to get the amount owed. And then just fill down. So I've got the data in Excel. I'm going to save it to the desktop, save as P12 data, and I'm going to put it on the desktop. Then I can close this out. Then I'm going to open up Word. And the first thing I want to do is put my company logo here on the top page. And so I'm going to insert a picture. And hopefully I still have it on the desktop. And I've got many different versions here from practicing it. And notice how large that is. That's ridiculous. Okay. And so usually when you have a letterhead, the top margin is smaller. So I'm going to Page Layout Margins. And I'm going to go to Custom Margins at the bottom, and I'm going to change the top to 1/2 inch. And the rest are 1 inch all the way around. All right, that way it doesn't take up so much of the page. All right, so there I've got that. So then I'm going to go to Mailings, Start Mail Merge, and it's going to be letters. And then I'm going to select my recipients using an existing list that was in Excel that I just saved to the desktop. And I'm going to go to P12 data. And it's only sheet 1. Now, I'm going to come down for a standard letter and put the date. So today's date is February 15th. 2011. Enter, 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 enter. Oops, another thing I forgot to tell you, I just noticed it. They have the defaults really strange on Word. So I'm going to Home, and see where it says Paragraph over here? Go down here, and I'm going to change everything to 0, 0, 0, 0 here, and I'm going to make it a single space. I don't know why they changed it to whatever. And so multiple, I just want single. Okay, I think that's how you do that. Put OK. So then I'm coming down a little bit more. Too far. Then after that I'm going to put 4, 2, 3, 4. It still looks like it's coming down more than a single space. 1. It is. Back to the drawing board, hit Control A, probably is what I forgot to do. And I'm going to have this to be 0. And the line spacing to be single spaced at 1. Why does it say multiple? See if this works better. Yes, that looks better. Enter, 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 enter. Then I'm going to go back to the mailings, and I'm going to insert a merged field. And that came up from my Excel thing. And so it's going to be title, first, last, company name, address. Did the company name twice. Address, city, state, zip, close. And you'll have to add all the spaces and like for a standard letter, first, last name, then hit enter. Then after that, I'm going to get rid of that company name, delete, because I put it in accidentally twice. Then I'm going to go and enter for address. Then city, comma. You have to put all the punctuation, space, and 2 spaces between state and zip. Then over here, you can do the add greeting line if you want to. And on this one, I want Dear Mr. Jones. I want it to look like that, but you can hit OK. Okay. And it will put Dear whoever you have. Pretend you have 1,000 people in that list. Then on here, you start writing your letter according to our records.